Hi everyone and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Uh, I'm announcing that the next release will be of, you must have guessed, yes, Garuda Indonesian Airlines. And this time I'll be releasing the newer version of the A330 airliner series. So thanks a lot from the people from Indonesia who are constantly supporting my channel, and for that I'm making this papercraft template available for free, especially for you guys. And I've been noticing a lot of people are from Indonesia who regularly visit my YouTube channel, and so that for the love and support you guys have given, I've decided to make Garuda Indonesia A330 model. Firstly, the A330 kit I've been releasing is finally improved, and it is now available in vector format, which you can download and reuse for repaints. And this time I'll be releasing the newer version, so I'm designing the new parts, and it takes a lot of time for designing, testing, redesigning, editing, adding details, and doing the recolors, and again testing the models for perfect alignments so that you guys can enjoy without any further problems which might which you might face if I don't assure that my kits are totally good for build. So during this lockdown, I would like to present this as a gift to you guys. Okay, that's all, and keep loving and supporting, and help me support me to get more subscribers, views, likes, so that I could do lots of videos for upcoming days. I know I've not been uploading the videos you guys would have been wanting to see, such as building the paper crafts actually in real time, such as the stop motions which Harmocraft, Livery Craft, and all other guys do and post their videos in the YouTube. So but I'll try to do the stop motions also, and I would like to try other types of videos, and let's see how they will turn up. I'll be experimenting.
Welcome on board Garuda Indonesia. In accordance with civil aviation safety regulations, before takeoff, we will show you the safety aspects of this aircraft. Please stow your cabin luggage in the overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you. Please ensure that your luggage is not blocking the exit and aisle. Also, please ensure that you are always in the sitting position during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In accordance with civil aviation safety regulations, please fasten your seatbelt while the seatbelt sign is illuminated and whenever instructed by a crew member. Fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and tightening it. Also insert the metal tip into the hook if your seat is equipped with a shoulder harness. Keep your seatbelt comfortably fastened while seated or asleep. To remove the belt, release it by lifting the metal flap. Before takeoff and landing, please make sure that your seat is upright, your tray table is stowed and locked, personal video screen and footrest are stowed, and your window blind is raised. Should oxygen masks drop from the compartment, pull the mask towards you to enable the flow of oxygen, then cover your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic strap from both sides to tighten, then breathe normally. Secure your own mask first before assisting others. Portable electronic devices with transmitters which can interfere with the aircraft navigation and communication system must be turned off. If your electronic device falls and is tucked away in your seat, please call the flight attendant to assist. For your convenience, enjoy our in-flight connectivity facility on several types of our aircraft. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited while you are on the aircraft. In accordance with civil aviation safety regulations, tampering with, disabling or destroying the smoke detector in the lavatory and smoking in the lavatory is prohibited. Do take a moment to identify the emergency exit closest to you. Bear in mind that it might be behind you. There are path lights along the aisle that lead you to an emergency exit. Emergency exits are equipped with a slide which will inflate for land evacuation. If an evacuation is needed, please proceed to the emergency exit immediately and leave your belongings. There are 10 exits on this aircraft, 5 on each side. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. In case of water evacuation, some slides can be detached and used as rafts. If evacuation is required, follow crew member instructions. In an emergency situation, do not panic. Fasten your seatbelt and bend down. If you have to land on water, a life vest is located beside or under your seat. Take the life vest, slip it over your head, then fasten and tighten by pulling the strap. To inflate your life vest, pull these straps just before leaving the aircraft, or inflate your life vest by blowing into these tubes. Pull away these plugs to enable the emergency light. The light will automatically turn on when in water. To attract attention, blow into the whistle. Read the safety instruction card in front or beside your seat carefully. Thank you for your attention. We wish you an enjoyable flight with Garuda Indonesia.